Here is a Friday night chefs at my home. You also want to come?
Excuse me, this is a little bit messy.
Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum.
Hello.
Hope you guys are keeping well. May Allah bless you. And we are introducing you these tiny chefs on my service.
You forgot me.
You also want to come? Okay, join us.
Then
Wonderful.
you-
Here is another one. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Hope you guys are keeping well. May Allah bless you. And these two tiny chefs want to help me for my Friday night cooking. So let's see.
Can I join, please?
Yes.
New chef. Excuse me, this is a little bit messy. It's okay. What did you do to it?
Yeah. Look at the mess. Let's see what they are going to cook today.
Okay,
They are
so
going to help me
yes.
to marinate the chicken.
Okay, so
Shazil, how you help me?
is there something to eat?
Eat? Please wait for a while. Let us cook first. Okay?
Bye bye.
So, okay. Ash is going to marinate the chicken. What we
Okay.
need first, Ash?
Crushed garlic.
Okay,
Yeah.
Arush, give to Api.
Give me.
You want to help, right?
Yeah.
So here, put inside the crushed
okay.
garlic. Put
Yeah,
inside.
next.
Okay, both of
Okay,
you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Arush, you can mix it.
You can
Arush, mix it.
Mix
Okay.
it, okay?
Okay. Then
Mix
next is
Next is it's a hard salt and pepper.
yeah.
Okay, me and Ash will help. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
Wow. These two tiny chefs are wonderful. They have already put the garlic and black pepper and salt in the chicken to marinate it. Now we have to add 2 eggs. We have to
Me
whisk.
and Ash.
Alright, we have to whisk the eggs first and we have to add in the chicken.
Let's mix it. I'm adding the eggs.
2 eggs go inside the chicken. This chicken is around 1 kg. So you can add if it's your chicken
Mama,
is
I want to make.
one moment, Arush. If your chicken is half than that, then you can do the everything quantity. You can do half
Yeah.
and leave it for marination just like 20 minutes.
Marination is done. Okay. Stay connected. Let's prepare the sauce now for our delicious chicken.
So what Aruj want to add? This is tomato paste, tomato ketchup actually, 3 tablespoons. So Aruj is going to add what?
Lemon juice. Lemon juice.
Hold properly. Put here. Okay. Here is the lemon juice goes in. Now we add sugar. Aruj, add sugar. So sugar you can add either white sugar, brown sugar, no problem. Ash, what you want to add in
I
the
have
sauce?
to add 2 tablespoons of honey.
Can you?
And a bit of water, I think.
Yeah, you just add the honey.
Full spoon or half?
Table, full.
Full, okay.
Can I help you? Or?
Yes, please.
All right.
Yes, please.
Let me help you. So we have to put the 2 tablespoons up. 1. Okay. And that's
And can
the
I mix it?
other one.
And I want to. Can I please mix it now?
Wait. Now mix it. And we have
Can
to
I
just add a little bit of water that Uruj will help, like 2 tablespoons. Uruj, put the water
Put
in.
the water in.
There.
In here.
Here.
Put the water.
So our sauce is
Okay.
ready.
Yes.
Yes. Dissolve it. Now we go to the next step.
Let's go to the next step. I want to help us make.
You want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, can.
Okay, get the spoon and mix.
Be careful, don't spill it.
Okay.
We are mixing the sauce. Our rice is ready. Now we go for frying our chicken. Finally, I managed to take a short break from my kids and we start frying, because when kids are around, frying is not safe, so I better send them away. So in the marinated chicken, I am adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, or you can say it corn flour as well. We have to mix it well and then fry in the oil. So here we have already mixed the cornstarch. Now one by one, this boneless chicken we are going to add in the pan. You want to use chicken with bones, up to you, no problem. Yeah, because this is how I like it. And if you like a crushed garlic, you can use a crushed, or you want a paste of garlic, also no problem. So here we are going to add the chicken. From medium, not too high flame, yeah, normal, like just a medium flame. So here chicken is frying well. We have to get the golden color, light gold color. It's getting the gold color. We have to get the light gold. It's still not there yet. Another 1 or 2 minutes. We have to take this color, yeah. So one by one I'm going to take them out and fry all the chicken. Here chicken is all fried already. Now we go to the next step. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Your little support matters a lot to me, and thank you very much. So I have put oil in the pan. It's a little bit oil, not too much. Adding the sesames, white sesame. Just roast them a little bit. Now you must understand what we are going to make. Sesame chicken, and this is the sauce that we prepare. And now we have to, and for all the ingredients for the sauce and for marination of chicken, everything I shall leave in the description box. If you want to get the ingredients in detail, you can please check over there. Here it started to boil. Now we on a high flame, no need to lower the flame. First, sorry, I forgot. First we have to add a little bit of coarse chili. This one is because then it won't be very sweet. Salt everything to your taste. Okay, here now we add the chicken. Mix it well. There's a little bit of honey. I'm adding like 1 tablespoon. See, very nice and very rich, very delicious with the rice, white rice, fried rice, veera rice, even biryani rice you can have it. How delicious it is. It's so yummy. So I add a little, I think it's almost ready, but stay with me, see till the end, see till the garnishing is done. Here is just a little bit more of sesame, because sesame chicken, sesame should be there. It's almost done. Now we dish out. So very delicious. As you can see, the richness, sweet and sour taste with all the honey. Oh, it's so healthy. Try at home and leave a feedback for me in the comment section here. See you again. Love, share, care. Bye bye.